A shocking incident has erupted in Michigan that is now going viral across the world. US President Donald Trump, during a visit to a Ford auto plant, was caught on a camera, and that too in a moment that has left everybody talking. You're watching Times XP, it's me, Dhriti Athri, and let's talk what's really happening here. Well, according to eyewitnesses, a worker shouted something at the president. The insult, reportedly aimed at Trump, seemed to strike a nerve here, and in the moment of pure shock, Trump flipped the middle finger at the worker. Well, the gesture was caught clearly on video, sparking an internet storm. The video does not stop there, by the way. In addition to the obscene gesture, reports say that Trump appeared to kind of mutter the entire situation. The clip shows him pausing, glaring at the worker, and responding in a way that has left political commentators divided. Some are calling it unprofessional, while others say that it was natural human reaction. But you know what? White House defends the action. The White House released a statement saying that the president's reaction it was appropriate given the circumstances. Officials emphasize that the incident occurred after the provocation and that Trump's response was in the line with handling heated situation. But the internet, of course, it is going to explode, right? Social media users have gone into override, hashtags, memes. Endless debates are trending. Critics say that this shows lack of restraint, while supporters claim that it proves Trump's willingness to confront dissent head on. But you know why this matters? The Ford visit was supposed to showcase economic achievements, including job growth, manufacturing milestones. Instead, the story of the heated confrontation is now dominating headlines, overshadowing the event itself. Then the experts weighed in. Political analysts say that moments like these can influence public perception. Whether you like him or not, this is a dramatic moment that will be replayed and people are going to notice. It changes the narrative from policy to personality in an instant. In fact, the reaction from the worker, that was epic. The identity of the worker who shouted at Trump has not been confirmed yet, but sources say that the encounter lasted only a few seconds before security intervened. Still, the impact of the gesture, it is all over the world. So the question is, what happened next? Well, this video is now trending globally. News networks, political blogs, international media, or Times XP, all are analyzing every second here. Trump supporters say that it showcases his toughness. Critics argue that it reflects impulsive behavior unfit for a US president. But one thing is clear, this Ford plant incident will not be forgotten soon. Whether it changes political tides or simply sparks debate, the moment has cemented itself as a viral spectacle for the ages.